In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to make it easier for visitors to find your social media pages, adding social icons to your website header is a simple and effective way to do it. This helps connect your website with your social platforms and gives people a quick way to follow your content, learn more about your brand, or stay updated with what you share online. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to the website you want to edit. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the option to edit your website and click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can customize different parts of your site. After the editor loads, move your attention to the top section of the page, since that's where the header is located. Click directly on the header area so you can access the settings for that section. The header is usually where important navigation elements live, such as your menu, logo, and contact options, so it's also a common place to display social media icons. Once the header is selected, click Edit Header. This opens the customization options specifically for the header section. From here, look for the Elements settings. Click on Elements to see the items you can show or hide within the header. In the Elements panel, find the Social Icon option and toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, the social media icons will appear in your header layout. This is the key setting that makes the icons visible on your site. Next, click Edit Social Icons. This is where you can customize the actual social media links. You'll see the available icon fields, and from here, you can simply add your specific link for each social media platform. Make sure each link matches the correct platform so visitors are taken to the right page when they click. For example, your Instagram link should go in the Instagram field, your Facebook link in the Facebook field, and so on. Take a moment to double-check each link before finishing, because even a small mistake can send visitors to the wrong destination or lead to a broken page. It's also a good idea to keep only the platforms you actively use, so your header stays clean and professional. Once your links are added, your social media icons are ready to help connect your audience with your online presence. And that's how to add social media icons in Hostinger Website Builder.